Got F150s, got an XLT Sport, Lariat, another XLT. What's up everybody, how you guys doing today? Starting this amazing video by making some food. My sister's actually we're about to take her to school because we thought that she didn't have school because of this pandemic. Last week she was out of school. They closed out the whole school because of, there was 3 cases of COVID found in her school, and also my school there was a few found. But in today's video we're mainly gonna focus on today we gotta go take the F150 Platinum to get some service, because as you guys all know, we have been beating the crap out of the F150 Platinum, and she's asking for oil change, which I get it. We haven't not done an oil change since the previous, long time videos that I made. That was probably the last time we made an oil change on that truck. That was like 7 months ago. And also I want to thank everybody. It has been 1 year since I started YouTube, and there has been some big upgrades. If you guys go back to my first video ever on YouTube, it was like not like this one. I'm filming with a new camera. I know how to edit videos better than what I used to do. So with that being said, I thank everybody for the support. I really appreciate it. But with that being said, let's go take my sister to school, and then I'll see you guys on my way to whenever. Yeah. Bye, honey. Hey.
Oh, frick, a mask.
Yeah, I was about to call you because of that. The viewers even are telling you that.
Ay, Dios.
Get your mask on.
This is embarrassing. Dame otra máscara, por favor. No me quiero poner esto.
Let me show her. What kind of mask is
I'm
this?
literally gonna get embarrassed as heck.
Bro. Alright, see you, honey. Love you. Look at this. There's a Acura NXX right in front. Look. Oh, Jesus. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Damn. So we are here on Nazareth Ford. I'm gonna drop the truck. Oh shit, I forgot my mask. Alrighty, so we're gonna drop off the truck. Gotta drop off the keys as well. Let's see go around the dealership and see what they have. Got F150s, got an XLT Sport, Lariat, another XLT Sport, XTX, Super Duty XTX. See no Raptors though. The Ford Expedition, another XLT. Got a Transit van. Got a Super Duty right there. Got a lot of Ford. What are this? Edge. Ford Escapes. Ford Explorers. And that's pretty much it. I wanted to see a Raptor, but they don't have any at all. Got a Mercedes E63 AMG. But you know what? Oh no, that's actually for sale. It says Nazareth there. Yeah, I guess we can leave now. Alrighty, so we're finished. We just dropped off the F150. We gotta come and pick it up on, we'll leave tomorrow. But as of right now, there was no F150s, 2021 F150s. So we are here. We stopped looking by some houses. My aunt already bought a house, but that's a secret for later video on. And we're just looking at these houses because she's planning on buying another house once, she's all set with her new house. Most likely, all of these houses that are here are on the construction. Yeah. These houses are upwards of 400,000, I'll tell you that much. Alrighty, so we just made it back home. I'm actually about to probably be heading out to New York again. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up if you're stopping for the first time and you haven't already. And if you feel like you kind of want to, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.